Well, greetings subscribers, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and yes, once again, it is the ass crack of dawn. And why am I up so early? Well, got a lot of things going on with the cars, and just a quick update. So first things first, I gotta jockey everything around, make room for the cheddar wedge to come out, because Eddie from Royalty Towing is on his way here, and we're going to get that back down to Lamborghini of Las Vegas and get the e-gear actuator replaced, and then finally that vehicle will be on the road again. And let me tell you, after all of the other work, I can't wait. I mean, new tires, alignment, TPMS sensors, what else, AC being recharged, new battery, yeah, the list goes on and on. Oh yeah, oil change, new fluid, new transmission fluid flush lines, what else, water pump lines, the typical ones that leak, also the top fittings on the e-gear for the transmission fluid, and then like I said, the actuator. So car should be like brand new. Wait, I mean, it is almost brand new, but whatever. And then second to that is the Corvette. I'm taking Snow White back down to the dealership, basically because I just don't have time to work on it. And I got the Mighty Mouse catch can in, and this is the one with the filter on the top for the PCV. Basically that just lets the pressure out so I don't pop that front crankcase ring again. And we'll see how this goes. You know, like I said, I figured it was only going to be, you know, maybe a half-hour job, but you actually have to unbolt the supercharger, lift that up, take the PCV blockage piece out, because they actually seal that up. So that kind of makes sense now on the pressure and why that thing would pop eventually. And then just hook this up like the other one, the E2 catch can, that piece of crap that I had on the car before, and you know, then that should be, you know, good to go. You know, again, I could be driving a car, but, you know, I figured I'll just wait till this comes in and, you know, take it from there. And then last but not least, I'm going to take the Z down to the alloy wheel repair place. You know, I went there once before, I think with the BMW, I believe it was, when I had the elevator rooms. And the front's got like a little dent on the lip, and it's losing pressure. And, you know, I've just kind of been putting that off for the last 10 years, but now that the car's out on the road, I'm getting that little bit of vibration and that kind of the truck hum buzzing, you know, from the front. I'm just going to get it fixed. It's like $100, so there you go. And then maybe once all this crap is done, I'll actually be able to work on the Nash. So so there's your update on all the vehicles, and probably gonna leave that here and do another video just more specifically, you know, on each car, especially with the cold startup. So I might throw that on here too, because the Vet has been sitting, and that thing is going to be loud, and the cheddar wedge has been sitting even longer, so that's probably going to be painful. So we'll see. Anyway, as always, stay tuned. All right, well, I got everything cleaned up so we can get the cheddar wedge out. And just before I get all the cars jockeyed around and get you some nice cold startups on all three of these, I realized I do not have any cold startup video on the Z. So I'll probably use that on this video, and also the one that, you know, I've been starting, you know, just on that car. But man, gotta tell you, sure is nice having the Nitto sticker back on. Car just didn't look right without it. So anyway, let's get probably the Z and then the Corvette, and then I got to get this lift down and get this thing at least out on the street for Royalty to get it. So as always, All right, so next up, or actually in this case next down, is the cheddar wedge, and don't think I've got any video this thing raising and lowering, so I'll go ahead and get that too, along with the cold startup. And there you go. All right, let me get the ramps out and we'll go from there. Oh, and again, shout out to race ramps. I mean, these things are fantastic. All right, this should be loud. Told you. I don't know how long it's been, maybe a month? Yeah, roughly. Month and a half. Man, I thought the Z was running rich. Oh man. Well, I'd rev it, but as you know right now, I can't put it into gear and can't put it into reverse. Don't know if you noticed when I opened the door how the E-gear didn't prime, because basically there's no fluid in it. Just starting it up like this, because with the power steering it makes it a little bit easier to maneuver, and then just waiting for Eddie to get here. So there you go. And again, check out those race ramps.